Morning, y'all. Just thought I would do a little video of my daily routine for you. Hubby has gone to work already, so it's just me and the doggies. I haven't been downstairs yet, so let me turn the camera around. And that's Gilligan doing his breakdancing. Gilligan, you itchy? Are you itchy? You've got itchy belly. Millie, are you itchy? Zach, are you itchy? Do you want to go for wee-wees? Do you want to go for a wee-wee? Should go downstairs. Should go see the cats. Come on in. Let's go see the cats. Excuse the mess. Very excited doggies. Come on in. Down you go. Quick. Come on. There's one. Come on. Down. Quick. Come on, Goonie. Take your time. Slowly. Do you want to go see the kitties? Shall we go see the kitties? Are you excited, Gilligan, are you excited? Are you excited to see the kitties? You knocked the door yourself then. Millie, you going to talk to me? Millie, tell me, Millie. Millie, tell Daddy. What? Tell Daddy you want to see the kitties. Come on in. Let's go see the cats. Oh, there's Dexter. There's Joey. Let's put the open the blinds. Good morning, Dexter. Good morning. Right, come and have a wee wee. Come on in. Excuse the mess. Let's open up the back door. Right, go on in. And then there's ping pong. Right, Millie, go and have a wee wee. To excuse the mess, because there is mess everywhere. That's the laundry powder I got. Oh my god. What? Where's Henry? He's detached this hose and his tools are here. Oh my god. Where's he gone?